We are pleased to show you the 2019 Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower, and is priced below $25,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, cruise control, trip computer, trip odometer, power brakes, child safety locks, electronic brake force distribution, rear floor mats, audio radio, touchscreen display. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.